In today's world, outdoor enthusiasts often seek reliable sources of power that can support their adventures. The portable power station 1000W 999Wh solar generator is designed specifically for outdoor camping and other activities where access to electricity may be limited. This product has garnered attention for its versatility and capability, making it a worthy consideration for those who frequently find themselves in remote locations. At first glance, the portable power station appears to be a compact and sturdy unit. With a capacity of 999 watt-hours, it offers a substantial amount of energy storage that can power various devices. This makes it suitable for charging phones, laptops, and even small appliances. The generator is equipped with multiple output options, including AC outlets, USB ports, and a DC carport, allowing users to connect a range of devices simultaneously. This flexibility can be particularly useful during camping trips when different devices may need charging at the same time. One of the key features of this solar generator is its ability to be charged via solar panels, which can be a significant advantage for those spending extended periods outdoors. The unit also supports charging through a standard wall outlet or a car's 12V socket, making it adaptable to different charging environments. When using solar panels, users can harness renewable energy, which aligns with a growing interest in sustainability and eco-friendly practices. Setting up and using the portable power station is generally straightforward. After charging the device, users can easily plug in their electronic items and monitor battery levels through a digital display. This feature provides real-time information on remaining power, ensuring that users can plan their energy usage accordingly. The generator's built-in safety features, such as short-circuit and overcharge protection, add a layer of reassurance for users who may be concerned about device safety while on the go. In summary, the portable power station 1000W 999Wh solar generator stands out as a practical solution for those in need of portable power for their outdoor excursions. With its robust energy capacity, multiple charging options, and user-friendly design, it may serve as a reliable companion for camping trips, road adventures, or emergency situations. For individuals looking to enhance their outdoor experience with a dependable power source, this generator presents a thoughtful option that combines functionality with flexibility.